In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively track your investment portfolio using TradingView. If you've ever wanted a streamlined way to keep an eye on your investments and analyze their performance in real time, you're in the right place. We'll delve into using both the built-in portfolio tools that TradingView offers as well as some of the community-built tools. So let's get started. First, log into your TradingView account. Once you're in, look for the Products menu located at the top of the page. From there, you'll find an option labeled Portfolios. This handy tool is designed to help you bring together all your investments in one place, where you can easily manage and track your portfolio's performance. To create your portfolio, you've got some great options. You can either import your past transactions using a CSV file, which saves you time by quickly uploading your data in a structured format. Alternatively, if you prefer a more manual approach or have fewer transactions, you can add each symbol and transaction manually, one by one. Lastly, TradingView offers a neat feature that allows you to add data from an existing watch list. If you've already curated a list of interests, this method simplifies the transition into portfolio tracking. Once your transactions are loaded, go ahead and name your new portfolio. Choosing an appropriate name will help you stay organized, especially if you decide to manage multiple portfolios. You can also select a tracking currency, which allows you to view your assets in your preferred denomination. Additionally, inputting a risk-free rate helps you gauge your portfolio's performance against traditional low-risk investments. Don't forget to choose a benchmark to provide a comparative overview of your portfolio's growth relative to market standards. Now it's time to populate your portfolio with transactions. TradingView's built-in tool lets you input a variety of transaction types. These include buys and sells, as well as any cash deposits and withdrawals you might have. You can even track taxes and associated fees, providing a comprehensive view of your net performance. This means you get not just the raw numbers, but a full picture of how your investments are doing. Once you've entered your data, head over to the portfolio page. Here, you'll see a detailed display of your portfolio's value, including your unrealized gains and total gains. The platform also calculates your annualized yield, helping you understand how your investments are performing over time. For those wanting to explore beyond the built-in tool, you might be interested in community-built portfolio tracking indicators. Simply navigate to the Indicators menu on TradingView and look for options such as the SBC Portfo P&L indicator. These indicators can provide additional insights and customization depending on what you're looking for. By employing these tools on TradingView, you can comprehensively track your portfolio, gain deeper insights into your performance, and make more informed investment decisions. Enjoy the newfound clarity this brings to your investing journey, and be sure to explore all of TradingView's features to get the most out of your experience. Happy investing!